Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Zens aluminum charging desk stand. So you have the wireless charging MagSafe compatible puck right here, and it has some tilting capability, just a little. Then you have the wireless charging point on this area right here, and then you have the Apple Watch charging puck that comes with the kit right here. So you attach the phone, you attach the watch, and then you just plug the adapter right into here, right there. And then it comes with the 30 watt USB-C charging adapter. So this produces 20 watts wireless and just a few watts for the Apple Watch. And as you can see, it's magnetic, so it sticks on right there. And then you can use these two included travel adapters on the same charger right here. It just slips on over this piece right here, like that. So you can use that when you're traveling if you need to. And it comes with a second one as well, and a nice tough nylon USB-C to USB-C braided cable. So you get everything in the kit from Zens, and it's the aluminum desk charger. They have some great charging technology from Zens, and they work with Apple products really well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.